Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Lochner with eXp Realty here in Fairfield County, Connecticut, and today I'm happy to share with you a market update for my hometown of Stamford. Let's dig into the numbers and find out what's been going on in the last 30 days. Currently, we have 448 homes for sale on the market, up almost 50%. This includes single-family homes, townhomes, as well as condos. Of those homes in the last 30 days that have come off market, the days on market stat, it's at 63 days, which is down 15.5%. The average home price on market here in Stamford is at $794,000, down about 9%. We've also seen 21 price reductions in this same time period, up 10%. The average sold price is at $691,000, which is actually up 8.8%. In the last 30 days, we've seen 40 homes sell, which is down 62%. We have some new condo listings that have hit the market. We have 65 Glenbrook Road, which is asking $349,000, as well as 26 Moore Street, which is asking $300,000. Some of our more popular listings here are in North Stamford and in the Westover area. We have one on 132 Hunting Ridge Road asking $1.3 million, and we have another on 684 Westover Road asking $5.95 million. Looking ahead to this weekend, there are currently 6 homes scheduled for open houses. I expect there will be a few more popping on, but we have them off asking prices anywhere from $649,000 all the way up to $2.995 million, with the average being in the 1.4 to 1.5 range. Thanks for sticking around for this market update. If you'd like me to do your town next, or you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll link to this market report as well as the open houses. Thanks for being here, and I look forward to seeing you next time.